Welcome back to another episode of We Rebuild. Today, we're just gonna do a car review today. Drive it on the road, see how it drives, see if it needs an alignment, stuff like that, how quick it responds. So I did it earlier today, so I'm just recording the intro now, but you'll be seeing it earlier today. I took it on a drive after I finished working out with some friends. So let's get into it. And be sure to like our videos. It shows that 75% of the viewers are not subscribed. So just hit that subscribe button so you can get a notification as soon as we drop a video. Don't forget, check out our Instagram page, We Rebuilds. We have some shirts coming, we have some jackets coming in. A lot of people are telling me, hey, start getting those stuff in because they want to have at least something to show, hey, We Rebuilds. So I'm getting those done. I'll put a little sneak peek on our Instagram page. I got some stickers too, so I'll let you see those stickers and then we're gonna hop into that video. Let's do it. This is the stickers that we got, We Rebuilds. All right, so about to do the test drive and see how well it does on the road. So let's go. Driving, I'm hearing a sound in the back. I want to say it's the struts. It's like a little squeaking sound, and I'm getting like something is knocking. So I gotta check the back to see what exactly is that. But so far, the car is driving good. It's not, the alignment's not off, so it's not, going in any direction that it feels like, so I mean it's good. And right now I have it in sport, and it really grabs you and pushes you back in the seat. I mean, and I'm not even doing that, like it does. And then you can hear the exhaust crackling in the back. Probably need to put a tune on this. So we probably need to put a tune on this so we can hear more of the burbles and all of that. For now, let's keep enjoying the car. Yeah, I made sure to put the GoPro right here so you guys can hear that squeaking sound. I don't really know what it is. I think it's the shocks is one, but there's also a knocking sound. So I'm not sure, but I think one of those control arms or something, it has a slight bend in it. So I'm wondering if that could cause the noise, but we'll see. So I just removed the tire. So what I see so far, it's this that's bent. Everything else looks good. I'm just wondering if this is the reason why I'm hearing the knocking sound. The squeaking sound could be coming from the shock absorber, because I mean it's been sitting for a while at the auction, but I mean this car only has like 25,000 miles, so I don't see why the struts probably need to be changed, but probably it's because the rubbers sat for a long time. I'm gonna try to check everything else, see what I come up with. So I end up finding this screw on the back end plate, so it's probably this was making the sound. I sprayed some WD-40 on all the rubber pieces, so we're gonna try to drive it one more time and see what happens. Let's go. So this is the piece that's bent, so I'll straighten it out a little bit to see if I'm still gonna hear that squeaking sound. And then I also put WD-40 on all the rubber pieces to see I'm gonna still hear that squeaking sound. So let's hop into the car and drive. Alright guys, so I don't hear the squeaking noise no more. So I'm on a little dirt road. So to see, this is where the car is going to shake a lot. So I sprayed the WD-40, so I guess it worked, because I'm not hearing no squeaking noise. I'm dropping in the bumps, all of that, and it sounds, there's nothing, so it's silent. So I guess I straightened that piece. I put WD-40, but that piece that's bent, we're still gonna have to change it just to make sure it doesn't cause anything. But we already ran through 2 tires, so I need to get 2 tires for the back, and then after that it should be good. But so far I don't hear no sounds. I'm dropping in some potholes to see are uneven, because the first time when the road was, even though if you go on uneven roads you would hear the sound, but now I'm not hearing no sounds at all. So I think that fixed the problem. So I'm gonna just keep driving some more and see. Well, that's gonna be a wrap for today's episode on We Rebuilds. So we finally found the sound, we rectified, it's done, no more noise, so that's good. There was actually also, after that little bent piece, I straightened it a little bit. There was also a little metal piece that holds the brake line, so that was also shaking. So I'm gonna show you a picture of that too, so you know what I'm talking about. So what I did was just press it back into place and kind of bend the metal so it holds in that little plate that's there for it. If you like our videos, please hit that like button, drop a comment down below, subscribe if you think this video was really helpful. Keep liking so YouTube keeps pushing these videos out to people. Don't forget, check out our Instagram, We Rebuilds. Well, that's the end of this video. Next video we'll probably get some tires for the back, because I know we need some tires. That same little bent metal piece, I don't know what's the name exactly, but I'll find out that and get that piece ordered, change that, do the back tires, get some new back tires, and then probably just bring it to alignment to be pretty safe, because if I have to move that piece, we probably need to go get it back aligned again. But that's it for this video. Like, share, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. That's it for this video. Stay positive, stay motivated.